So you guys line up.
Hey, right, is there hey, is there?
Doing business? We're doing business.
Somebody in that. Carol.
Pizza, pizza.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O-double-G. But I, somehow, someway, keep coming up with funky ass hits like every single day. May I kick a little something for the G's? And